You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. That's a name of German origin, and so we need to learn the German pronunciation first. Seitz is how it's said in German, Seitz. Therefore, in English, it's generally going to be pronounced similarly as Seitz. Some may say it as Seitz, but yeah, it should be said Seitz. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.